preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Cut your sirloin steak evenly into cubes. Take one green pepper, gut the inside of it, then cut the pepper evenly into cubes. You want to do your best to cut the ingredients up evenly into the same size cubes as your steak. Do the same with your other peppers. I'm using a green, red, and yellow pepper. And do the same with the onion. I'm only going to use a few onions on my kebab because I'm not a big fan of onion, but you can use as much as you'd like. Put the steak, onion, and peppers into a bowl. Then add 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add a packet of your favorite steak seasoning and mix it all around. Make sure it's coating all of your ingredients. Then put all of your ingredients onto a skewer. If you're using wooden skewers, make sure to soak them in water for at least 20 minutes. There's no particular order to put the ingredients on, just try to mix it up a little bit. Add some olive oil to a pan. I'm using a grill basket here. Heat up the olive oil, then put your skewers onto the grill basket. You want to sear each side for about 30 seconds. This is going to seal in the juices. Once you're done searing the kebabs, put it into the oven and let it cook for 20 to 30 minutes.